Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try to make rose out of tissue papers. For that I'll first fold the tissue into triangle and then make circle out of it. So I saw this viral tissue rose all over the internet and I thought why not try it out. This does not looks like a circle, but I think this is the best I can do. I thought of choosing bright colors for my rose. Paint the edges simply enough, right? But here's the twist. Now we will dip it into the water to create the magical color blend. So it turns out the internet life, this isn't looking like magic, it's looking like a flop show. No worries, I'm not giving up. If one fail, we'll make 3 or 4 backups. That's my strategy. So here we are making the second one. Honestly, the internet made it look like this would take minutes, but I have been here for hours. DIY isn't about creativity, it's about struggle, patience, and pain, guys. Why didn't anyone warn me about this part? It's done. I deserve an award for this. And now, for the grand finale, this rose better looks good after all this hard work, or literally, I'm restricting myself from the social media forever because I'm done. Guys, just look at this. My first attempt turned out to be the best one. The colors are bright, in the rose is beautiful, and I can't believe I actually pulled this off. But let me tell you the truth, what internet shows you in minute takes hours to complete. DIY isn't easy, but it's worth it. So, was it fun? Yes. Did I almost lose my mind? Also, yes. But hey, I tried something new and that's what matters. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and let me know which viral DIY I should try next. Hopefully, one that doesn't take hours.